Hi everyone, let's go through some free hardware for your PC to identify hardware. Now when you're going to these sites, be careful of other ads and downloads. The software is legitimate, but the ads may not be. So if you're looking at this Word document, you can hold down your Control key, and when you point your mouse at this, it says Control click. So I have my Control key held down, click. There I am. Well, I have, where is it at here? If you want to not see all the stupid ads, I have, what is it called? AdBlock Plus. It's a free program that blocks most ads from being seen. So I'm looking for CPU-Z. I'm going to Windows. It's a freeware program, works really well. We're not going to look at custom versions. We're not going to look at Chinese. We're going to look at this one. This is one that doesn't require a setup program. So we're going to download that zip file. And download now. There it goes. I'm going to put it in my, there it is, downloads folder. FYI, I am doing this on my physical machine. You might be able to run these on a virtual machine, but you won't find any hardware. I've never had trouble with any of these. So I'm going to extract all. Now it's in a little folder. I can move that folder wherever I wish. Well, we're on a 64-bit CPU, so I'm going to double-click that. It'll take a moment. It'll ask for administrative privileges, so you have to run this on a machine that you are the administrator of. And in a moment, it'll show us all kinds of information. I have an AMD Ryzen 5 3600. That's my processor. Oh, 3 years old. I updated my computer 3 years ago. It's got L1, L2, L3 cache on it. It has how many? It's one socket. If we go over to motherboard, there's my motherboard. It's a B55A Pro. It's a standard ATX system board with an American Megatrends BIOS, which is pretty normal. My graphical interface is a x16 PC Express 4. I have 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. I upgraded it when I upgraded the machine just because I could. And this gives us the information on each slot. This is my my graphics card. Has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 192-bit bus width. That's a lot of information that can be flown back and forth. Here's another one. I think it's from the same website. Warning again, if you don't have AdBlock Plus, you might want to get it. It's free, works pretty good. Hardware info, free download. I'm going to do the portable. Now it gives us some different sites to download it from. I'm going to go with SourceForge. SourceForge is a place for open source software. Should come up here any second. This is also going to have a bunch of ads. And there it is. There's the zip file. Going to put it in my downloads folder. This is another one that doesn't require setup. There we go. Going to go up to my downloads, and there it is, hardware. Let's extract that one into its own folder. Now this is portable. I can also move this around. This one also has a 64-bit one. Oh, it also has one for an ARM64. I'm not exactly sure what you'd use that on. Maybe a Mac? I don't think so. Maybe an ARM64 Windows? There it is. We're going to start. It's examining everything, looking at stuff. Let me pause for a second. Oh, no, that happened pretty fast. My computer's fairly fast, so it doesn't take very long. Oh, my goodness. And there's also a new version of it. And look at all this stuff here going on. We have what's going on actively with my CPU. Well, you can see I have 6 cores flashing around. Look at all that information. Ryzen 5, 3600. I also have this guy back here. I can look at the central processor like that, motherboard, memory, my buses, my video adapter. Holy smokes. There is more information here than you can shake a stick at. Well, let's close this out and go to the next one. Now, both of these are free, and both of them can be put wherever you wish, or you can download them. I'm sorry, you can delete them. Doesn't matter. Here's another one. This is an open source hardware monitor. Let's see if it's still there. Oop, yep, it is. This one I don't think has a... Nope, this does not have one that doesn't require an install. So we download it, go to the downloads folder. There it is. Right click, extract all. Let's see what we have. Open hardware monitor. Oh, another one. This one doesn't have to be installed either. All of these are portable. Let's see what this guy does. Uh-oh. It thinks I'm being hacked. Well, I'm not really being hacked. If your antivirus goes crazy, you can just say, okay, because this isn't actually a virus. But it's a little less information, but this one is open source. And we have one last one to look at. Let's close some of these windows out. It's called Specky. Specky is freeware that has ads in it. They want you to buy it. It's part of the CCleaner family. I'm going to download, yes, the free version. And this one does have an installation with it. And somewhere down here, see, they keep trying to have you buy things. You don't need to buy things. There it is. All right, so I downloaded it. This time we do have to set it up, but you can uninstall it if you don't wish to have it on your computer. As you can see, none of these have harmed my computer. Let's see, I usually go into customize just in case it does something stupid. Nope, it's fine. Well, now it's not letting me install. Wait for the program to respond. Well, that was weird. It finally installed after I tried to close the program. And there it goes. It gives you some basic information. Analyzes your RAM. Those guys are all free. They're ways to look at hardware without actually having to look at your hardware. There we go. Have some fun.